Hello everyone, my name is Hillbill and welcome to my channel Vagabum, where we discuss motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure. Behind me is the remote fishing village of San Evaristo, one of the most remote villages in all of Baja, California, where I was just stranded for 48 hours. What lies ahead of me is even more daunting. I'll be crossing these mountains right here in the center where you see. We are going to zigzag our way up and down that mountain. With any luck, we'll make it to the other side unscathed. We've got mountains to climb, so let's see how it goes. Well, that looks like a pretty cool sign. La purification. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna go find out. Why do I keep on doing that to myself? I really got to learn to walk roads before I ride down them. This is a cool place, so I'll show it to you. It's really cool. I never really thought there were all these oases in the desert. I always thought it was like a myth, but it's not. Look at this place. Oh, it's absolutely wild, man. Absolutely wild. How cool is this? There's a lot of cows around here. I'm guessing this is built for irrigation and agriculture, because in other parts of this stream, it's been really shallow because it's built right here on this rock bed. So they built this little 3-foot dam here to contain some of that water. That's great. Well, I'll keep the GoPro running the way out of here so you guys can see me crash. I don't want you guys to miss that. I'll be fine. I'm a better rider than I think I am. You got to approach these things with positivity. That's the key. Just for reference, I'll show you guys how big these boulders are that I'm going to be riding over. It's not small rock. When you look at it like this, it doesn't look very impressive, does it? When you're gonna do stupid things, always wear your helmet. This Biltwell lane splitter has been doing a pretty good job of keeping my head safe so far. I have no reason to believe that'll change now. Woo! Cake work, piece of cake. All right, let's get out of here. I've been on this road for, I don't know, I guess, oh, there's a whole river over there. We're gonna go check that out. And I just heard a dog bark. I was just saying, I haven't seen anybody for 2 hours, not a single person. But I hear voices over there now. Okay, we're gonna check out some stuff, man. Hopefully there's people around. I'm getting a little lonely. So let's see if we can take a dip in this river. Well, no one to talk to. Moving on. All right. Ran out of gas. We are 1.7 kilometers from town. That is 1 mile, but this motorcycle has a reserve on it. Let's see if it works. I've had motorcycles where the reserve does not work. Let's see. So here you can see the fuel is in the on position. And see here it says reserve. Now, if that petcock works, the bike will fire right up. I think I ran out of gasolina.
Gasolina?
Yeah. The reserve? Maybe no work. No trabajo, I think.
Cero.
No. Hey, so, let's see. Say hola.
Hola.
Let's see here. Gasolina para mí?
Sí.
Sí? All right, this guy's gonna, I'm giving him this bottle and he's gonna give me some fuel. 3 minutes. 3 minutes to the gas station. 1 mile. Ran out of gas. I knew that. I knew that petcock didn't work. I don't know how I knew that. The guy didn't mention it when I bought the bike. I've just had petcocks where the reserve didn't work. I gotta try it again. It's been sitting for a minute. All right, it worked. So I know what's going on. This motorcycle has it's got a vacuum petcock, I bet. Yep. So you got a main line here, and this other line behind it, the small one, that's a vacuum line. And when the bike runs out of gas, that fuel line becomes empty, and it has to turn over enough times for the vacuum line to suck fuel in again. Okay. Well, now we know that. Anyway, I got a liter of fuel coming, so that's all right. Oh, man. It's too funny. Oh, that guy will be here in no time. I guess I'll just hang out and drink some water. I tell you, there ain't no shade. Maybe a smidge of shade over there. We're gonna wait for my new friend to get back. Yeah. Woo! Gracias. The old quick pour. Thank you so much.
Andre.
I'll catch you down the road. All right. Let's get out of here. Oh no. Now I rescue you. Push.
Se ahoga.
Push. Oh no. Woo! I just pushed that motorcycle so far. Woo-wee. Okay, let's get out of here. All right, so we just got 17 liters. So whatever that is in gallons, I'll do the math on that later and I'll know exactly how many gallons this tank has before it hits reserve. I'm grabbing a beer and some tacos.